knotted versus welded.
I noticed that this fence has knots and this one doesn't. Can you tell me what the difference is?
Sure. These two products are intended for two totally different applications. The knotted product with the thicker gauge wire with the monarch knot is intended for large animal containment. It's allowed to roll over terrains a little bit because of the knot itself. Where this is a welded wire product, it's really not intended for large animal use. We see it used there incorrectly quite a few times, but it's more intended for small animal containment and confinement around gardens, around houses. You'll see that it's welded, it's not knotted, it's a thinner gauge and a little bit less zinc. So these are two totally different products.
How long will it last?
So how long should I expect my fence to last?
That really depends on a couple different things. One being the style of fence you purchased. Certain fences have more protective zinc coating, which means they will last longer than other styles of fence. The second thing would be where you plan to install your fence. Certain parts of the nation are more caustic or more prone to rust than other parts of the nation. A fence in the Midwest you would see last 20-25 years before it shows any rust. Just because it shows rust doesn't mean the fence has failed. Failure doesn't start for a long time after that. I've seen fences last as long as 50 to 60 years before. However, if you get closer to the ocean, you'll see salt winds really erode fences a lot quicker than they would obviously where it's drier. So it depends on where you're located, where you're installing your fence, and the product that you're purchasing. To answer your original question, all fence should last a minimum of 10 years. More likely 20 to 25 years depending on your location and animal pressure.